Well, Houston, we have a problem. We got a turn signal bolt burned out in this 2017 F-250. And my wife can't stand the fast cycling of the left turn signal. So in my philosophy of happy wife, happy life, I'm going to replace the turn signal bulb in this F-250 for her, and I'm going to show you how to do it too. It's so simple. Don't think about taking it to the shop. Don't think about taking it to the auto parts store. You can do it in about 2 or 3 minutes. It's super simple. And I'll tell you what, we've got a couple of F-150s in our fleet as well here on the farm. There they are over there. And the setup's pretty much the same on them if you need to change any of the rear light bulbs. So let's get started. I'll show you what you need and we'll get to work on it. So this is pretty simple. You don't need a lot of tools for this. It's only going to take you a couple minutes. You'll need a new bulb, which is kind of a specialty bulb. You might have to get it at the auto parts store. You'll need a surgical glove or something because you don't want to handle the bulb with your bare hands and get your body oils on it. That will shorten its life. And you need either a screw gun or a ratchet with an 8mm socket on the end of it. And that's it. And you can have this knocked out in about 2 or 3 minutes. So if you open the tailgate and you look, you got 2 bolts here. These bolts are what hold on the rear lamp assembly over here. And you just take them out real easy. Like so. Like so. Now the rear lamp assembly is loose. I'll give you another angle on how to get it off because there's some plastic pins in here that you need to pop out to pull it off. All right, so now that you've got those 2 bolts out back in the bed, you can just pop this whole assembly off. It's got a couple of pins here that pop into sockets up here to hold it in alignment. Now you've got 2 bulb holders here. If you give them a twist counterclockwise, they come out. Here's the old bulb. I'm not going to worry about handling it bare-handed because it's going in the garbage. Oh, it's hot too. Let me put my glove on and we'll put the new bulb in. Keep my skin oils off of it. So hopefully I don't have to do this again real soon. Put new bulb in, like so. Put this back in here. I hope you can see this. It's kind of tough to keep my big hands out of the way. Put the bulb holder back in and give it a turn clockwise, and that's it. Line the pins up. And there you go. Now we can put the bolts back in and we should be done. Wasn't that easy? I'm going to be real careful putting the bolts back in because they're going into plastic and I don't want to strip them. So, just going to throttle the screw gun really good so I don't over twist them. And there we go. All right. Well, and there we go. No more fast clickety-clickety-clickety inside the cab to let you know you got a burned out bulb. And both the bulbs are working. So that was super simple and easy, wasn't it? And like I said, later model F-150s have pretty much the same setup on the rear lamp assembly if you need to change a bulb in one of them. So anyway, I hope you found this video interesting, educational, informative, inspirational, whatever. If so, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to see my future videos. There will be more videos on automotive stuff and all kinds of things in the future. So subscribe to see those videos. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this one. Bye.